This video contains information about writing and filing briefs in the Arizona Court of Appeals, Division 1. A brief is a written argument explaining what happened in your case and why you think the decision was right or wrong. The appealing party files an opening brief. The other party responds with an answering brief, and then the appealing party can file a reply brief if they want. The court relies on the briefs to decide appeals. Even if you have an oral argument in your case, you will only be able to talk about what is in the briefs. Be sure to follow the rules about how your brief should look and what it must include. The court offers a checklist on its website that you can use to make sure you have all the necessary information. Stay within the word limit, 14,000 words, for answering briefs, and file a certificate of compliance with the brief to show that you stayed within the word limit. There is a form available on the court's website. In your brief, make sure you respond to all the arguments in the opening brief. Tell the court why you think the decision in your case was correct, and point out the parts of the record that you think show there was no legal error. Include rules or laws supporting your argument. Reference case documents. Tell the court about specific case documents or parts of the transcript that are important. Explain why they matter. If a document has an index or exhibit number, include it so it is easier for the court to find. For transcripts, give the date and page number of the important parts of the hearing. Sign your brief. If you e-file in Turbo Court, you can sign with a scanned signature or type /s/ on the signature line. You have two options for filing your brief. You can file a paper brief by mailing or bringing it to the court. File an original and one copy of the brief. Documents must be filed by 5 p.m. You can also e-file using Turbo Court. If you do this, you have until 11:59 p.m. on the due date to file your document. You must give a copy of your brief to the other party, or 2 copies if you file in paper. File a certificate of service with your brief saying how you gave it to the other party. There is a form available on the court's website. Watch the video called Things to Know About Service for more information. Finally, be sure to follow court rules for calculating deadlines. They are linked below. The court provides a guide to these rules on its website, and the docket for your case will show upcoming deadlines. But it is your responsibility to file documents on time. We hope this video makes it easier to manage your case. For more information, visit the court's website or contact the court.